Hi, I'm Craig, the retired engineer. This is my friend Rusty. Today we're going to be talking about this little hair dryer. This is the Andis Pro Style 1600 watt hair dryer, and why I think this is a great little hair dryer. First off, it's only 20 bucks and it's very durable. I've had this thing now for 4 or 5 years. Works great. It's hard to find in stores, but you can get it online, places like Walmart or Amazon. Okay, a couple things I like about this. First of all, the airflow is directional. You point it where you need it to go. Secondly, it has 2 independent switches. Most important, 2 independent switches. One is for the airflow and one is for heat. So you have high-low airflow, high-low heat. Now if you're going to be doing sensitive parts of your body, what you want are high airflow and low heat. Now, third thing I like about this thing, you hear that? That was the doorbell, and behind me, the heat just went on. I will be right back. Hi, I'm back. So that was my FedEx man, and I'm real excited to get this. This is my Optima 4K projector. I'm going to be doing a review on that in the next episode. So where was I? Oh yeah. So one other tip on the hair dryer. This thing gets pretty loud, so I would suggest that you go to your dollar store and pick up these bag of these squishy earplugs. They will help cut down the sound. I'm going to show you what it sounds like on low. By the way, I apologize for the furnace, but it's cold in here. So that's low, and that's high. Pretty strong airflow. So that's about it for today. What's that? I don't know. What do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back? A stick. Oh, Jesus. Next time, I'm Craig, the retired engineer.